Moving on, a fresh row was triggered after Jammu and Kashmir LG reshuffled 198 officers from administration just hours before the Election Commission announced the polls date for Jammu and Kashmir. NC's Farooq Abdullah hit out saying that the mass transfers were intended to benefit the BJP. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge also said that the move was another electoral experiment by the BJP to ensure control over it. In fact, PDP's Iltija Mufti also questioned the sudden rejig and the unnecessary delay in the elections. Now remember, EC has announced the poll dates for Jammu and Kashmir yesterday already during the press conference. These will be the first assembly polls in Jammu and Kashmir and a historic one since the abrogation of Article 370 and will be held in 3 phases. First phase will take place on 18th of September, second will be on 25th of September and third is going to be on 1st of October. Couple of reactions now coming in. Take a look.
मैं समझता हूं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन को ये देखना चाहिए, अगर वो लेवल फील्ड चाहते हैं तो ये देखना चाहिए उनको ट्रांसफर किस बिना पे किया गया, व्हाई हैव दे बीन ट्रांसफर्ड।
फारूक साहब, 10 दिन के बाद जो है लास्ट फेज की नॉमिनेशन की डेट है, क्या नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की लिस्ट जो है कैंडिडेट्स की अगले कुछ दिनों में आ जाएंगी, 2-4 दिनों में?
हुजूर आप देखिए, इतनी जल्दी आएंगे, जितनी जल्दी बारिश नहीं आती उससे जल्दी हम आते हैं।
मैनिफेस्टो में पाकिस्तान के साथ बातचीत का रहेगा, मैनिफेस्टो में पाकिस्तान के साथ बातचीत का
आप जाइए, बातचीत करिए।
इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से अभी जो मैं उनका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस सुन रहा था, उन्होंने फ्री और फेयर पोल्स पे बहुत जोर दिया। उन्होंने सिक्योरिटी को लेके किसी तरह की पॉलिटिक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए उसका जिक्र किया। तो मैं फौरी तौर इलेक्शन कमीशन से गुजारिश करना चाहता हूं, हम उन्हें एक चिट्ठी भी भेज रहे हैं आज कि लगातार पिछले 24 घंटे में जो बेशुमार यहाँ ट्रांसफ़रें हुई, इलेक्शन कमीशन को उनका फौरी तौर जायज़ा लेना चाहिए।
Now, at the end of the day, of course, congratulations when it comes to the assembly elections that have been announced by the Election Commission. Modi government.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Modi government walking the talk when it comes. Yes, Modi government walking the talk when it comes to the road to statehood, if you will. But please take us through the game plan of the BJP. It's not just the Jammu region which the BJP dominates. You're planning to expand your footprint even in the Kashmir Valley. 43 seats in the Jammu region, 47 in the Kashmir Valley. What is the BJP's game plan going forward?
First of all, thank you very much, Ayushman, for giving me chance to speak on your channel. It's a very happy occasion that the Election Commission of India has announced elections for Jammu and Kashmir, and the people of Jammu and Kashmir were waiting for that. So far as BJP is concerned, we are contesting these elections to form government in Jammu and Kashmir, because we feel that if we have to reconstruct this Jammu and Kashmir after this so much bloodshed due to terrorism, separatism, and underdevelopment of Jammu and Kashmir due to chaos which was there before 5th August 2019. So there is the requirement of this BJP government, both at the center as well as in the state. So BJP is preparing for that. We have formed a manifesto committee. Our manifesto is almost ready, and we are going to send it to the center for its development by the central leadership.
Right. And very quickly, Dr. Nirmal Singh, you're aiming for a double-engine sarkar between Jammu and Kashmir as well as the Modi government at the center. Could we see a Dogra Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir?
Once I asked this question to Honorable Prime Minister, because there was a talk, the Hindu Chief Minister. Some people were talking, BJP never said that. But he said that Chief Minister is Chief Minister. He's not Hindu, he's not Muslim. He's not Dogra, he's not Kashmiri. BJP will give its Chief Minister, definitely. We see that when BJP has reached a stage where we are able to form the government, definitely the Jammu province has got its edge. And so far, the participation in the political, you can say, power game here. So definitely, Chief Minister can be from Jammu. It can be from any part of the state.